SERV stock. Is this thing really a buy? This is stock analysis and price predictions, so watch this short video till the end to find out. Overall, looking at it, I'm just gonna say, like, right off the bat, I'm looking for a buy because I'm trying to double down on this beautiful momentum, bro. Like, we are 46% down on Monday. That's cool. And how am I approaching this? I mean, previously I had this link of calling out this beautiful idea, and then just recently, if you didn't remember, I had a demand area, but it went without me. This is the new chart that I see, and you can see it made new highs. So what can I do? Still wait. I mean, waiting for this exact thing, a little bit unrealistic because the price pulling that much down to give me the rules. I don't think it's going to be fair. But what is fair is having this demand area here and the area a little bit above. So this is what I'd use and what I'd go with. So if the price pulls inside the demand zone and gives the rules, I'm taking it higher. So I'm going to put a wait sign and like literally do exactly that. So if you want to learn the strategy that I'm using, check the first link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars. See you in the next one.